In 2020, DJI Enterprise launched its flagship drone platform, which has been widely used in public safety, inspection, surveying and mapping, and other scenarios. Now, the next evolution has arrived. Introducing the Matrice 350 RTK, which offers powerful waterproof performance, transmission, flight time, obstacle avoidance, night vision, and a multi-payload capability. It also features a new RC and charging station. It delivers a limitless capacity to optimize work efficiency and strengthen the commercial drone industry. Whether it's high altitude, freezing temperatures, scorching environments, in rain, or even sand, M350 RTK keeps moving forward. Thanks to the optimized O3 Enterprise transmission system, M350 RTK can complete missions that require longer ranges while keeping a stable connection. DJI RC Plus excels in rain or cold environments with its rugged construction, giving you a seamless experience even in unforgiving conditions. And intuitive screenside buttons and dials give quick access to controls in the DJI Pilot 2 app, allowing you to focus on tasks with more convenience and efficiency. For further efficiency, M350 RTK's battery system has been completely redesigned. Hot swappable batteries allow users to continue work without stopping. With the updated charging station, ready to fly and storage modes are conveniently accessed with a button, improving battery longevity. With battery cycles increased to 400, the operating cost of each flight is significantly reduced. For the most critical moments, flight safety is always a top priority. A new arm lock detection provides additional security, ensuring safe operation in standard and emergency situations. A robust 6-directional obstacle sensing system improves flight safety. With a millimeter wave radar, detect and avoid smaller obstacles such as wiring for improved confidence during close inspection work. With the H20 series, users can capture target details at various distances using zoom capabilities. With intelligent functions like live mission recording and AI spot check, users can experience more precise flying patterns for more accurate data. The result is an automated mission that provides improved consistency regardless of conditions. When you're out of daylight, an upgraded night vision FPV camera allows continued operation for night missions. With the H20N Starlight night vision camera, scale thermal and night vision images simultaneously and compare details side by side. Communicate with your team effectively through DJI Flight Hub 2 by drawing pinpoints, lines, and surfaces. You can quickly share information with other platforms, creating synergy from the ground to the cloud. M350 RTK also supports numerous flight route options. With DJI L1 and P1, users can quickly execute surveying and mapping tasks with a high level of accuracy. The M350 RTK's SDK capabilities further expand development possibilities, empowering custom third-party integration into any ecosystem. In addition, the M350 RTK remote controller, battery, charging station, and carrying case can all be used with the M300 RTK. The M350 RTK was built to endure the most challenging environments and is ready to help you tackle whatever comes your way. Are you ready for your next mission?